Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, y'all know what time it is? It's only like 2 people here, guys. Y'all know what that means? That's right, guys. It is nosy hour. It is nosy 30. I'm about to walk around and try to take a peek at what everybody doing. All right, y'all want to come along? Y'all want to be nosy with me? All right, let's do it then. Let's get it. Come on. All right, guys, we're going down this way first. I see a nice big tall. Hey, look at that, guys. Look at the size of that thing. This is what we call a Sprinter, I want to say. I don't know, 2010, 09, 08 maybe. Let me take a look at the engine, guys. Whoa, big old V8. Looks like it. Yes, this has to be an older model. I haven't seen an engine like this in over a decade. Okay, now I am not upset that I am not working on this one, guys. I would tell you, I'll be the first to say that. Y'all know these vehicles pretty much built for work. So either hauling something, carrying something, or doing something. It's on the same platform of ProMaster. I'm sure y'all done heard of the ProMaster. Yeah, ProMaster are fairly the latest stuff. It's like, this has to be, I'm telling you, this has, in fact, I want to know, what year is this thing? This has to be like a 10, 9, 09 maybe. I don't know. I want to know though. Where's the RO? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, 08 Sprinter. My goodness. Okay, now, will your scan tool work in these? I don't know. It's not old enough to must-have use a DRB or nothing like that, but I don't know. Yes, I much rather work on a ProMaster than this. Work related. I don't want to. Yes, all that room in there, it almost has to be work related. I mean, who owns one of these that's just for leisure or pleasure? Nobody. Look at the size of this thing. It's a 2500, guys. Freaking thing is huge. Yes, Sprinter. It says Sprinter right here. Okay. Alrighty. More power to you, buddy. I am not interested, guys. In fact, that's the engine we put in that. I got some more footage I want to edit and get to y'all. Remember we had the cab off doing that on that truck, Eco Diesel. Okay. Now here's y'all recognize this Chrysler 300, older model because it has plug wires. Okay. Man, this one beating them up too. I'm not a fan of these older cars, guys, because it's like diagnostics don't work on these anymore for some reason. You can't get them right. And you got to be very careful what you write up, because I say this all the time, guys. Customer demands satisfaction. First of all, they want proof, and they want a guarantee that whatever estimate you give them is going to fix the car. And I talked about this last night on the stream. There's no guarantees in the automotive industry, guys. I have solely got out of doing that. I've done that 1 or 2 times, and I got bit that 1 and 2nd time. Never again. Okay, now yes, that will fix your car. I guarantee it. No. In fact, I stripped those words totally out of my vocabulary. Y'all know these older model Hemi, they had a problem with the PCM. Now this is old. Now all you Hemi fanatics out there, Dart Hemi, people like that can remember we was talking on the stream. Y'all was talking about Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3 Hemis when they came out. This is one with plug wires. That's going back maybe a decade on this model, but I'm not sure what year this is. 06 maybe. So yes, you went back a decade and some change. So, but I don't know what gen it is. I just can recognize that it's a Hemi. Okay, so I don't know. All right, guys, y'all remember the Aspen? Yes. Oh my goodness, we still have problems with the Aspen. I don't know what's going on, and I really don't care to discuss it. So we're gonna leave the Aspen. It's a Hemi, 5.7 Hemi. We're gonna leave the Aspen right there, guys. Let's go back this way, because I think I passed one I want to discuss. Evap leak, guys. And before I even get up here, I mean, can somebody tell me what's wrong? Sometimes, guys, we stop right here. Like, we got an Evap leak. Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong. You should proceed with the test. But if you got a small Evap leak and I open this. Actually, I'm working on this. I open this and I see that. No, I'm gonna use a real sound effect. Yes, guys. In my Scotty Kilmore thumbnail. Don't do this, guys. I know they ain't no more than $5-10 at. And what killed me, guys, is they're brand new. So even you be going like, you understand? I just replaced this. Doesn't matter, guys. I already diagnosed that. In fact, let's go down and get the parts. I did a smoke test. I had smoke coming from that. Now you gotta be careful with multiple parts. A lot of people will try to get the complete Evap system. A lot of people write parts up on their previous diagnostic repairs. Okay, let's say for instance, yes, I had a small Evap leak at the fuel cap. I got a fuel cap, factory OEM, guys. Always do factory OEM on the fuel cap. This is a purge valve. This is a ESIM. Now, a lot of times, guys, be careful with this because a lot of technicians will give you estimate based on the complete Evap system. Just say if you keep getting beat up or a car keep coming back for Evap system failure, these pretty much gonna do it. Okay, besides the fact that you have an obvious leak in a line or the gas tank, a fuel tank or something like that, this pretty much will do it and it keep the car away. Okay, because yes, this could be all you find on your problem, on your test, on your leak down test, but sometimes, guys, mechanics work off insurance. Okay, yes, they give the estimate based on insurance and they work off the insurance factor. This is the ESIM and an O-ring. Chances are with this many miles on this car, it really needs this, or it's going to end up needing it. It may end up needing it right after you do this and actually fix the car. So a lot of the mechanics will give you an estimate based off insurance. Okay, I need some insurance. I know if I do this, that, that's pretty much the circuit. Whew, I feel so much better. It's a fact, guys. We tired of getting bit and beat up on this stuff, man. Pentastar, y'all recognize this? I can't say this a ticker. I really, simply because he might be chasing a misfire. Now, a lot of people confuse, or a lot of people will misdiagnose a misfire, thinking it's secondary ignition. So when I say secondary ignition, I'm talking coil plugs, plug wires. This don't have plug wires, they have coils. But guys, valve train can cause a misfire. Now, I don't know what he doing. I don't know what's going on over here. I don't see a coil. Yeah, I see all three of them right there. So maybe he's checking. That looks straight down there. Yeah, I see oil residue. I don't see it in that one. And I don't see it in that one. So maybe I remember the repair I did where there's some spark plug tube seals on every valve cover. In fact, I want y'all to go watch this video right here where I have the tool for that. So I end up recording a video showing you guys how to do that. You get oil in your spark plugs, guys. Over time, I guess oil will seep down and make it to the cylinder. I mean, it's a lot of threads on a spark plug, so it's gonna be kind of hard for that oil to get past all those threads into the cylinder, and it may produce a smoke, and you may panic. Oh my God, my car's smoking, and the technician removed the plugs and found out they're oil soaked. That's because these valve stem or valve cover spark plug tube seals are leaking. Like I say, watch that video. I show you. Now, if you don't have the tube, there's ways around the tube, but I have the tube, so I use the tube. All right. Oh man, that was quick. So I have elapsed my full 8 to 10 minutes on one more peek at this, y'all. I am not trying to get a chuckle. I'm not trying to embarrass the customer, but 2.4 multi-air with a cold air intake. Yeah, more power for it. Okay, guys. On that note, let me get out of here, man. That is all I have. Okay, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Nosey, it's time to go home now. I'll see y'all in the next video.